Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Esther Mofrey. Today's is Forex Beginner Lesson 9. Guys, in this lesson, I want to show you the power of this strategy that I call B.W.A. And if at all, the B.W.A strategy, it gives you more confidence. If your confidence was maybe 50%, it gets it to 90%. So when I came to weekly time frame, this is my weekly time frame. This is GBP/USD, a live market. I've not, like, this is not a playback or whatever. This is a live market. So when I open this chart and I found that the market has broke, you can see there is a structure that you have broke, and let me even adjust it. You can see we have a break of structure here. The market broke this structure. There is the way this strategy, I use it with the break of structure, because the strategy says break, wait, and action. So for this strategy has given me more confidence that this market will continue to buy. So what I keep telling people is that this strategy, I won't come and try to show people here how it is, or I won't come to show you guys. I only share this strategy with my paid students who have subscribed to my mentorship or joined my mentorship. Those are the people that I'm giving in details. Now, this is just a confirmation or an added, like the way you can cook food and then you add salt. So don't pay more attention. No, I'm not telling you. The bigger picture is we had a possible double top. I'm telling you on the most important thing. We had a possible double top here. This is weekly, and you can see very clearly that we had first attempt, and the green candle is here. First attempt, the market dropped. Second attempt, making what? A double top, right? Now, the double top, possible double top, you always know that the market must have a neckline. So double top, neckline. Are we together? Double top, neckline. So I always say, if you have a double top and a neckline, first measure half. Always measure half. You can see this was our half. This was the half of that double top. But the market never touched. You can see it was almost, because the market came, gave us the second attempt, started to drop. So this week was dropping, targeting our half. But it was slightly, never touched our half. But what happened? The market came back, broke the double top that we had, and the market, it's like it has violated our double top. So the lesson of today is to have two goals every time you are trading. Have an open mind, because anyone who had seen this double top, and mind you, these are weekly time frame. If we go to daily time frame, a lot of details are there. We have so many details. So a lot of details are there to show you clearly that this was a double top. So this double top was violated. You need to understand, guys, anytime my double top is violated, the market reach half, get rejected, or reaches half. Every time you have a possible double top and it fails, it breaks, what does this pattern make? The pattern that will be made is a cup and handle. So this is your cup and this is the handle. So the market will go this distance, and this is what I have done. So what is giving me more confidence is to know I had a failed double top that has been broken, making a cup and handle. So for me, I know this market will eventually go up to here. And now using B.W.A confirmation, I just needed two weekly candles. This, you see this candle and the next one, I needed two candles to confirm my buy will go here. So GBP/USD, I have more confidence that the buy will go up. Now the problem is you have to know what is the best entry to get involved. You don't just, because I have said you go immediately you get in. Yes, we know the market will go long term, like it will buy for a long time. We know the market will go up to there. You see, that way. And the market is here, will go all that distance. So what are you supposed to do on lower time frame? Lower time frame, already the pattern that is in question is a channel. So what are you supposed to do? What you're supposed to do is to build this box, build that box, and wait for your market to break. So that is how I trade. Yes, I have a confirmation that the market is a strong buy, but again, you need to have an entry level on lower time frame, and your first take profit should be that distance. You can put your take profit that distance. So all you can do, you can wait the market to break through around here, or you can wait to see a momentum candle. You see the way GBP/USD at the moment it is, you can see even we have a WBB, but wait at least a very good momentum candle to show you that buyers are willing to get involved. So once you see a momentum candle inside the box, or you wait they break, you can get involved. But no, actually we are trading on a channel, and once the channel is done, the market will continue to go up. So that's my analysis on GBP/USD, and I want to tell you how to see multiple. This lesson was how to see multiple setups in one time frame. So we had a possible double top on weekly that was violated, creating a cup and handle. Thank you so much, guys. I hope you are learning with these lessons and more to come. Bye bye and thank you.